Hey everybody, it's me, your good old friend. Yes, I did promise y'all a little tribute video. Why? Because I can do that. Let me go tell my mom I have her phone. I am back. Alright. Here we go. 4 years ago today. Tuscaloosa, Alabama was hit by a deadly EF5 tornado. How do I know this? I watched Storm Chasers back in 2011. 4 years ago. That's sad, though. All those people lost their lives on this day in 2011. Nobody knew it was coming until, unfortunately, it was really too late. Yeah, that was sad, though. There's videos of it on YouTube, and just watching people getting their lives ruined. It was just a sad day in Tuscaloosa. I hope they don't have to go back through the same thing that happened 4 years ago. 'Cause let me tell you something. Hang on. I think I moved the pen out of here last night, didn't I? Nope. Be right back. Here we go. Never mind the part 240 when I was thinking about Tulia, Texas back on the 21st. But the 2011 season, the 2011 tornado season, that was a really new game changer right there. It was. Just know how many people lost their lives, and see how many people getting their homes destroyed. It made me feel bad that year. Let's face it, tornado season this year. How many tornadoes have we seen? We don't know. Yeah. Just talk about it. Just thinking about it makes me a little quite nervous. I don't know what to say. We knew they were going to have bad storms on today, back in 2011. But, hang on. Alrighty. I am back. I just got interrupted. But still, God, I wish I had a map of Alabama. I only have a map of Florida. The only map I have is of Florida. That's the only map I had. I wish I had a map of Alabama. The sad thing is, I can't even draw Alabama. Dude, I could barely draw the state of Texas. I still got Oklahoma right. I could barely draw Texas. That's how sucky my drawings are, folks. Bam. Let me bring it up a little bit. Bam, bam, bam. Yeah, I really suck at drawing. But still, all my thoughts and prayers are still with them people. Yeah, I hope they don't have to go back through that disaster. I remember that one day back on December 16th, back in 2000. I was 2 years old when they got hit back in 2000. Dang, I forgot how old I was back in 2011. It's hard to remember how old I was that same day, because I was born in September, so why the heck not? I mean, every year I've watched the videos on tornadoes. You know, many of us want to see them happen out in the open field. Some of them do. Okay, some of them do. Oh, sorry, I messed up on this part. Some tornadoes happen in the open field, and some of them don't. Yeah, so that's how bad it is. How bad it was. Don't forget. Well, I'm going to sign out. I'm going to sign out for now. As I said, y'all can find me on Facebook at Joshua Meeks at Facebook.com. Find me at Instagram at Joshua.Meeks.12. Joshua Meeks. Josh. Hang on. Okay, now I get it right. You can find me at Joshua.Meeks.12. Only on Instagram. Then you can find me on Facebook at Joshua Meeks. Yes, my last name has an S at it. My last name is Meeks, if y'all forget it. And, yeah, that's pretty much it. Don't forget to leave a like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment at the bottom. I'll see y'all tomorrow. I'm making 2 vlogs. One in the afternoon and one at night. Which this is a little, you could tell by the announcement video. Yeah, but still, leave a like, comment, subscribe. Find me on social media. And I really want to talk to y'all on Instagram, on Facebook. Y'all can actually friend me, send me a friend request. Don't forget, it's Joshua Meeks. It's gonna have a picture of a grave for my profile picture on my Facebook. They're not the whole 24/7, but you know all that. Do Facebook on my phone. Yeah, just do I just said. Find me on Facebook and Instagram. Just remember, everybody, I'm always monitoring these videos on YouTube from my phone. So yeah, stay safe, be safe. Tongue twisted again. Hang on.